Also, people, I believe you're here because you want to make your own music video or you want to learn how to use AI to generate your own music video without having any large or big production teams. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create music videos with AI. Everything we are going to be doing here is going to be 100% free. Take a look at sample of what we are going to be creating in this video.
I felt the winter break this morning, a breath I didn't know I needed. The stone is quiet where I left it, moving through the glass. He lives, moving through the glass.
And the good part about this is that it's going to be you yourself that will be singing, and you're not going to just use a random person. I'm going to be making it to look as if you are the one singing. So if you actually want to learn how to do this, to show you yourself singing on a stage or singing wherever you want, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright, first thing we are going to be doing, I'm going to head over to my notepad. Now I have this particular prompt. So now I have this, I already like a set of instruction I actually did. Now for this I'm going to be using Google Gemini. So you can see this is it on Google Gemini. You can see this is the app. I actually just logged in and signed in by account. So you can just go to this address in case you just go to this address, or you just search on Google Gemini, and it's going to go bring you. Click on the first thing and it should bring you here. So now I'm on this particular site. What I'm going to now do, because we are going to be creating music, what I'm going to do, I'm be selecting create music. So once I click on create music, it's going to bring me to interface like this. So now the next thing I'm going to do, you can see this is what I did. I gave it to do for me. In my case, I said, give me lyrics of a gospel song. Try to make it emotional and worship filled mode. Please make it to be 30 seconds in duration, meaning it should be short. Now you can decide to you want to make yours, want to give yours a specific listen you want it to write about. You can add it here. Like for example, I can say write a gospel song with title. Let me say with title, and then you add the title you want to. Let me say He Lives should be the title of the song. So you just put it in quotation. Let's say it should be the title of that particular song. So now after that, I'll know just what I'll just do is just to copy everything. I'll copy everything. So I'll now get to my Google Gemini and now paste it in here with the title of what I want to do. So now once you do that, you're going to just click on generate. So you can see it's trying to create my music. So what you're going to just patiently just wait for it to finish generating the music for you. Now you can see it has finished generating the audio. So now let's see what it generated.
I felt the winter break this morning, a breath I didn't know I needed. The stone is quiet where I left it.
Okay, you can see the audio it has generated what I needed. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to get this downloaded. I'll just scroll up a little and you see download track. Now just click on it and say download track. So I'm going to just click on download track and it's going to download. You can see it has downloaded the track for me. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing from here is to head over to get the image of the artist I want to use. So now what I did was to go to Pinterest. So this is Pinterest, and I went to Pinterest. I will just search for a gospel artist singing probably on the street or anything. So now you choose the one you prefer. So in my case, let me just try to get one that I feel is okay. Okay, I think I'm going to be going with this particular one here. I think this one I'm going to go with this one so that it will look as if it's actually on the street, or I can even go with this. So it will look anyone you feel you prefer. Okay, let me just go with this particular one. So I'm going to just download this. I'll save this somewhere. I'll just save this. So now after doing this, now the next thing I'm going to do is generate. I need to get the prompt to get this particular, probably I don't want to use this particular person's image. I want to change the image or get something similar to this but a different style. So now what you can just do is to head over to, okay, let me tell you what I did. Well, you can use any AI tool you feel like using. You can still use Google Gemini, you can still use any tool, but in my case I'm actually going to be using Copilot. So I'm going to be using Copilot. So I'm going to now, what I'll do, I'll just, this was a script I actually used this to generate one earlier. So what I did was copy this, and I'm going to now bring in the image. I'll add the image I just downloaded now, but bring it here now and add this particular instruction. So I will just tell you, give me an image prompt to generate this style of image. Would be, okay, maybe just zoom in so that you'll be able to see it clearly. So there is it. So you can just use this particular prompt, and this is the prompt I use. So what you do that, you are going to now click on send. So once you send this, it's going to start generating. It will generate for you the prompt to use. So now what I'm going to now do is to just come here and scroll down. Then, okay, facial will keep. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'll stop here because I don't need this for later editing. I don't need this other one. This is where I need, just from here to it. Now I'm going to now go to actually for this I used Google Arena. Okay, I generated this earlier on. So what you can do is just come over to the case. Okay, you are on Google Arena. Let me just click on new chat. Okay, I think it should be seen. For yours, you should be seeing something like this. Now, what you are going to just do is just click on direct. Then I'm going to use, I'm going to be using Nano Banana. So let me just use this. What I'm now going to do is to bring in the image the reference image I want it to replace. So I'm going to now scroll down and select the image I want to use. Okay, let me say let me say I want to use any of this image. Let me just bring in this particular one, or let me just pick any one I'm going to use. Yeah, so now I'll bring in the image, the reference image. Make sure for your image, you try to, as much as possible, choosing an image that is clear and also a bit natural, so it gets everything, so that it doesn't look too obvious. So now what I'll not do is just to now input the prompt I just generated for the style of that particular image. Now click on send. Once I click on send, it's going to now generate. You can see it's generating the image for me, generating a new image for me to use. Okay, there's something I noticed. You can see when it generated the first one, it was looking more or like more of it like a woman. So what I did was I noticed the mistake. When I brought in the prompt, you can see when I brought in the prompt, it was a woman that was there, young woman. So what I would just need to do is to change this young woman to this guy, so it knows that it's going to make reference to this particular image. So you just ensure you change everything. Then if you're a woman, you can actually leave it as his clothing. Okay, I think gone ahead to change so I'm now going to send it and see. I think it should give me something better right now. So what I did, I changed the image I gave it a different. Then let's just wait for it let's see the results it's going to produce. Okay, you can see this is what it actually produced. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to try to use this particular, let me just say I'm using this particular image. So I can just save this image, then just save this particular image. Now what I want to do, I now head over to make this image to animate. So I'm going to turn this image to a little something like a more or less like a video. So now what the platform I'm going to use to do this, you can use any other platform you feel like using that can give you the same results. So in my case, I'm going to be making use of Kim AI. I'm going to be making use of Kim AI, and in this Kim AI, I'm going to make use of crop imagine. So what I'm going to do, I'll be dropping all this link in the description. Just check, or I will pin it on the comment section. So you just check for it and just register. So what I'm going to do is to come over here, and you'll be seeing get started here. Once you come in, then you log in with your Gmail account. So once you log in with your Gmail account, you come over here and you will see Grok Imagine. Under the video, you will see Grok Imagine. So it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So once you're here, what you're going to do on this side, you're going to click on remove. So once you remove this, you're going to bring in your video file, your image. Then you scroll down a little. Then in this particular side, this is where you add your prompts. Now I'm going to just bring it. This is let's make character move hands around like singing, or so just try to make it to look as if it's actually in motion. So as I add that, I'm going to now scroll down a little and you can select the aspect ratio you want. So you can remember the picture is this. So I'm going to select this. The duration, I'm going to I just need a shot. So I'll leave it at 6. I can use this to give you a more higher quality. So now let me just click on this. We can still make use of this, but I think let me just leave it this way and just click on run. Once you click on run, the next thing you're going to be doing, if you scroll up, you will see your video will be generating over here. So now just give it few seconds or minutes. It's going to generate your video for you. Okay, you can see it has finished.
Lord, I lift my hands to you. Your love fills my heart. I dance in your presence.
You can see whatever it's saying, just ignore it. What we're going to do is just to download this particular video. So once we get it downloaded, that is all we need from here. So now what I'm now going to do, I'm going to head over to where we have the next place we are going to go into is Dreamface. So on that Dreamface, you're going to just log in. We're dropping the links to just check the pin coverage. You see the links to this. So on that Dreamface, what I'm going to be doing, once you log in to create an account and you log in, and what you're going to do is to come to the interface. You're going to see, you're going to come here and click on avatar video. So once you click on avatar video, it will bring you to this particular site. Now I actually brought it. You seeing it like this. So now what you're going to do, I'm going to come over here and bring in the video I want. So got it. I was trying to tell you so that you understand. So I'm going to bring in this particular video, then bring it in, allow it to upload. While that one is uploading, under the audio part, I'm going to now come to where we have audio and click on now what you want to say. In case you are using mobile, you are going to say something like what you want to say or sing. So now I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to now click on here and bring in all my audio and bring in from device. I'm going to now bring in the audio I just downloaded. You can see this is the audio. Now I'm going to now click on upload. So on this, you can upload as long as 600 seconds audio file. So this is just, you can see it has uploaded because I'm on the free version. So this is just the first. The next,
I felt the winter break this morning, a breath I didn't know I needed. The stone is quiet.
okay, you can see I've confirmed my audio is that's the audio I want. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to scroll down here and click on generate. You can decide to choose the resolution, but I'm going to just leave it the number 1 and just click on generate. Once you click on generate, what you just want to do is just to patiently just wait for it to generate. You can see my work is generating. So what you're going to just do is just to patiently wait for it to finish. You can see my video is done generating. So you can just click on it to preview works you have. So now once you reviewed what you have, you can just click on download here and you're going to download Faceless. And it's going to download it for you. Or if you don't like this thing, you can simply just click on the withdraw and it's going to withdraw everything for you. So now let me just come here and you can see, I click on download, it's going to download it for you. So
I felt the winter break this morning, a breath I didn't know I needed. The stone is quiet where I left it.
So you can see that's just how you go about everything. You can see how we've been able to successfully get our video generated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.